Effective weight loss tips and tricks for men and women, ages 18 to 80. Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that resonates with many, effective weight loss tips and tricks for both men and women ranging from ages 18 to 80. Whether you're just starting your weight loss journey or looking to fine-tune your approach, this video is packed with valuable insights. So let's get started. Understanding weight loss. Before we dive into specific tips and tricks, it's crucial to understand the basics of weight loss. At its core, weight loss is about creating a calorie deficit, which means burning more calories than you consume. However, it's not just about cutting calories. It's about making sustainable, healthy changes to your lifestyle. Tip 1. Set realistic goals. One of the first steps in any weight loss journey is setting realistic and achievable goals. Instead of aiming to lose a large amount of weight in a short period, set small, incremental goals. For example, aim to lose 1-2 pounds per week. This approach is not only more sustainable but also healthier. Tip 2. Balanced diet. A balanced diet is the cornerstone of effective weight loss. This doesn't mean you have to give up all your favorite foods, but rather focus on a diet rich in whole foods, including 1. Fruits and vegetables. High in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, they help keep you full and satisfied. 2. Lean proteins, such as chicken, fish, beans, and legumes, which are essential for muscle maintenance and repair. 3. Whole grains, like brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread, which provide long-lasting energy. 4. Healthy fats, such as avocados, nuts, and olive oil, which are vital for overall health. Portion control. Alongside a balanced diet, portion control plays a significant role. Even healthy foods can contribute to weight gain if consumed in large quantities. Try using smaller plates, measuring portions, and paying attention to hunger cues. Tip 3. Stay hydrated. Staying hydrated is often overlooked but crucial for weight loss. Water helps maintain the body's fluid balance, aids digestion, and can help you feel full, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Aim for at least 8 cups of water a day and consider drinking a glass before meals to help control portion sizes. Tip 4. Regular exercise. Exercise is a fundamental component of weight loss. It not only burns calories but also improves overall health and well-being. Here are some effective forms of exercise. Cardiovascular exercise. Cardio exercises such as running, cycling, and swimming are excellent for burning calories. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity or 75 minutes of vigorous activity each week. Strength training. Strength training is equally important as it helps build muscle mass, which in turn increases your resting metabolic rate. Incorporate exercises like weightlifting, resistance band workouts, or bodyweight exercises, push-ups, squats, at least 2 days a week. Flexibility and balance. Incorporating flexibility and balance exercises such as yoga or Pilates can improve overall fitness and prevent injuries. These activities also promote relaxation and reduce stress, which can positively impact weight loss. Tip 5. Get enough sleep. Sleep plays a critical role in weight loss and overall health. Lack of sleep can disrupt hormones that regulate hunger and appetite, leading to increased cravings and overeating. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Establish a regular sleep schedule, create a calming bedtime routine, and limit screen time before bed. Tip 6. Manage stress. Chronic stress can lead to weight gain as it triggers the release of cortisol, a hormone that can increase appetite and lead to fat storage. Incorporate stress management techniques into your daily routine, such as 1. Meditation helps calm the mind and reduce stress. 2. Deep breathing exercises can be done anywhere and are effective for immediate stress relief. 3. Regular physical activity. Exercise is a natural stress reliever. 4. Hobbies and leisure activities. Engage in activities that you enjoy and that help you relax. Tip 7. Keep a food diary. Keeping a food diary can provide insights into your eating habits and help identify areas for improvement. Write down everything you eat and drink, along with portion sizes and times of day. This practice increases awareness of your food choices and can help identify patterns such as emotional eating or mindless snacking. Tip 8. Seek support. Having a support system can significantly impact your weight loss journey. Whether it's friends, family, or a weight loss group, having people to share your experiences with can provide motivation and accountability. Consider joining online communities or local groups where you can exchange tips, share successes, and find encouragement. Tip 9. Avoid fad diets. Fad diets promise quick results but are often unsustainable and can be harmful to your health. Examples include extremely low-calorie diets, detox diets, and diets that eliminate entire food groups. Instead, focus on making balanced, long-term dietary changes that you can maintain for life. Tip 10. Practice mindful eating. Mindful eating involves paying full attention to the experience of eating and drinking. It encourages you to notice your hunger and fullness cues, and to enjoy your food without distractions. Here are some tips for practicing mindful eating. 1. Eat slowly. Take your time to chew and savor each bite. 2. Eliminate distractions. Avoid eating in front of the TV or computer. 3. Focus on your food. Notice the flavors, textures, and aromas of your food. 4. Listen to your body. Eat when you're hungry and stop when you're satisfied. Tip 11. Be patient and persistent. Weight loss is a gradual process, and it's important to be patient and persistent. There will be ups and downs, but the key is to stay committed to your goals. Celebrate small victories along the way and don't get discouraged by setbacks. Tip 12. Tailor your approach. Weight loss isn't one size fits all. What works for one person might not work for another. Consider factors like age, gender, lifestyle, and any medical conditions when tailoring your approach. It's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new diet or exercise program. Age-specific considerations. 1. 18 to 30 years. Focus on building healthy habits that can be maintained for life. 1. Incorporate a mix of cardio and strength training. 2. 31 to 50 years. Pay attention to metabolic changes and adjust your diet and exercise routine accordingly. 2. Include more strength training to combat muscle loss. 3. 51 to 80 years. Focus on maintaining mobility and flexibility. 3. Prioritize low-impact exercises such as walking, swimming, and yoga. Tip 13. Avoid liquid calories. Drinks can be a significant source of hidden calories. Sugary beverages such as soda, fruit juices, and sweetened coffee drinks can contribute to weight gain. Opt for water, herbal teas, or black coffee instead. If you enjoy flavored drinks, try infusing water with fruits, herbs, or a splash of lemon. Tip 14. Plan your meals. Planning your meals in advance can help you make healthier choices and avoid the temptation of fast food or unhealthy snacks. Spend some time each week planning your meals and snacks and make a grocery list to ensure you have all the necessary ingredients. Meal prepping can also save time and reduce the likelihood of making unhealthy food choices. Tip 15. Be mindful of emotional eating. Emotional eating is when you eat in response to emotions rather than hunger. Common triggers include stress, boredom, sadness, and loneliness. To combat emotional eating, try the following strategies. 1. Identify triggers. Keep a journal to track your emotions and eating patterns. 2. Find alternatives. Engage in activities that don't involve food, such as going for a walk, calling a friend, or practicing a hobby. 3. Practice self-compassion. Be kind to yourself and recognize that it's okay to have setbacks. Tip 16. Monitor your progress. Regularly monitoring your progress can help you stay on track and make adjustments as needed. This can include tracking your weight, measurements, and fitness levels. However, it's important not to become obsessed with the scale. Focus on other indicators of progress, such as how your clothes fit, your energy levels, and your overall well-being. Tip 17. Educate yourself. Educating yourself about nutrition and fitness can empower you to make informed decisions. There are many reputable sources available, including books, websites, and podcasts. Consider consulting with a registered dietitian or a certified personal trainer for personalized advice and guidance. Tip 18. Make it enjoyable. Finding enjoyment in your weight loss journey can make it more sustainable. Choose activities and foods that you enjoy, and don't be afraid to try new things. Whether it's experimenting with new recipes, joining a sports team, or finding a workout buddy, making the process enjoyable can help you stay motivated. Conclusion: weight loss is a personal and often challenging journey, but with the right approach, it can be both effective and enjoyable. By setting realistic goals, maintaining a balanced diet, staying hydrated, exercising regularly, and incorporating the other tips we've discussed, you can achieve your weight loss goals in a healthy and sustainable way. Be mindful and know it's not just about losing weight. It's about gaining health, confidence, and a better quality of life. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Leave a comment below with your favorite weight loss tip or any questions you have. Until next time, take care and remember, health is priceless.